For number 5, we need to take a look at the graph and decide if it's linear, exponential, or neither. And we can tell that it's not linear because it's not a straight line, but exponential is a little bit harder to tell. It does have the nice curve that we want in an exponential function, but we should check that it does have a constant ratio. And so in order to do that, we're going to create a table. So we can create a table of x versus y just to check to see if it does have a constant rate of change. So if I grab some points off of my graph, the first point that I'm looking at that looks nice is this point right here, which is the point 0, 1. So I'm going to go ahead and write 0 and 1 in my table. Then the next point that I can get to is this point right here, which is the point 1, 3. So I'm going to put the point 1, 3 in my table. And I need 3 points to make sure that this is consistent and happening all the time. So then I'm taking a look at my last point, which is 2 and 9. So I'm going to go ahead and put the point 2, 9 in my table. And now I can go and see, do I have that constant ratio that I'm looking for? And yes, to get from 1 to 3, I multiply by 3. 3 to 9, I also multiply by 3. So I can conclude that this is an exponential function. And I know that because the graph does have a constant ratio of 3. I am multiplying by the same amount each time. And then down here, again, constant rate of change or constant ratio. We talked about that already. There is a constant ratio, and that constant ratio is 3.